Welcome back, y'all. A little bit different thing going on this time. I'm going to take you with me to catch some bait and then hopefully to the lake to catch catfish. Got the boat rigged up, got on the truck. My little boat. Love my little boat. So come on with me. We're going to go catch some bait real quick down here at this local little private pond that I've got permission to fish. Come on with me. Alright, going to get a little POV here. Going to get my aerator going on the live well or live bait tank. So this is right down the street from my house. This is a private little residence here, but this is a common area that you can fish, and I've got permission from the HOA guy who lives right there. I've been actually fishing here for years. I used to bring my boys here when they were little guys, and they would catch bluegill and bass and catfish and have a good old time. And man, alright, y'all, sorry about that. Had batteries dying. I'm not sure when this battery died, but I just got here, I don't know, 5-10 minutes ago tops. Already caught 2 bluegill, 1 green sunfish. My usual setup down here. There's what I got so far. I'm only going to catch probably, I want 6 fish. Okay, I got a big worm on here, bobber, jig head crawler with a bobby boy. All I do is just throw it out there. I hope you can see that far. Let's bring that bobber right in front of this, real slow. And of course now, I don't get the bite that I've got in the past 4 or 5 casts. Alright, that might be too big a worm. They're like, man, that thing's huge. Alright, that's danger zone right there. That little thing happening. On the KastKing Zepher, that was my bad. That was my finger. Caused a little loop. And my bobber's gone, and I got a fish on. Bam. Bluegill. Choked it. Got it? Okay. Saved the worm. Saved the jig head worm. Nice. Alright, so let's do that again without the tangle this time. Right in the danger zone. I like to reel real slow, just basically enough to keep the line tight. Or the line kind of tight. So when it bites, I can set the hook. Sometimes you gotta wait 20 seconds. Oh, look at this steam. Got too anxious there. He tried to get my worm off. I mean, obviously, I've been fishing like this since I was a child. And you know what? It's the tried and true method to catch bait fish. It will catch all kinds of fish. It will catch different species of fish. Like green sunfish. Green sunfish, in my opinion, flathead candy. Oh, he wants my worm. Okay, I think I really only need 1 or 2 more and I'm good to go. There goes Mr. Green Sunfish jumping out of the tank, trying to commit suicide. I don't think you can make it to the water, although I'm close. Alright, so what have I got in there? 1, 2, I don't know, 6 or 7. I'm only going to fish for 3 rods tonight. I don't know if I'm going to have cut bait or not. If they all live, I'll throw them out live, and then as they die, I turn them into cut bait. Oh man, I missed this guy twice. A little tiny chunk of worm still on there. Okay. Take it again. There ya. Double dog, there ya. I know you want it. I know it looks tasty. You know you gotta have it. Yeah, I still got plenty of worm on there. That was one of my first casts I actually missed. Oh, that was a horrible cast. That's not where I wanted to be, but I'm going to let it sit there for... Oh! Yeah. I screwed that up. I screwed that up royally. Still got an itty bitty 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 little chunk of worm on there. Got one. Kind of funny. Tiny, tiny little piece of worm. Nice sized little bluegill. Alright, how many do I got in there? Okay, let's go. I'm gonna go 1 or 2 more. I mean, I can always let him go. And we'll keep him alive. I got fish cracks in the bait bag, or in the bait tank. Some nice cool water. What's going on here? Yeah. I don't know how those things happen. You're just throwing this stuff out there. But it always does. You're a fisherman, you know. Okay, that's right where I need it to be. The big old fresh worm. Boom. Oh, hit twice. I missed them both. And they got my worm, these little suckers. Alright, now I'm mad. Now I gotta catch 2 of you. Oh, they got me. For me, that's the fun part of this stuff. luckily for me, I catch more than I miss generally. At least on these guys. Float's floating kind of weird. There it goes down. There it goes. It was in the spot. We hit it. Set the hook. And there he is. Another bluegill. Okay. One more. Or until this worm's gone, I guess. I don't know. Yeah, one more. I want to go fishing for catfish. Oh, we got it again. Really nice bluegill. Alright, that's plenty of bait. We're going to just transfer those up to the bait tank, into the clean water, treated water. And we're going to head out to the lake. So let's go up the hill. Alright y'all, just took off from the boat ramp. It's a little after 6 o'clock. So I left the house about 4:30, so that gives you the kind of idea. I drove down the street to a little pond, caught some bait fish, went to, actually had to make a stop for gas on the way to the boat ramp, and then so I just did that real quick, and then went to the boat ramp, launched after waiting for a second, because it's busy. Still a lot of pleasure boaters out here, jet skiers and whatnot. Might be a storm coming in. I definitely have a lot more cloud cover today. It's a different look than I had yesterday, so I kind of like that idea. So first idea was to go right across here to this cove. I have caught fish in here before, and actually the first thought I'm going to go down to that cove down there. I can't go very far back in these coves, unfortunately, because my trolling motor, I think, has a blown fuse. And I just haven't gotten another to look at it. I plan on doing that this week after work. That's a nighttime after work thing. Climb underneath there and figure out what fuse it is and replace it. No big deal. But I don't have my trolling motor, so I really can't get back in deep into these trees. I can put my motor, I trim it up real high maybe, and kind of just barely go through there. And I mean, I've got a deep V-hole, so usually the metal boat will hit something before the lower unit does. But, you know, trees and whatnot, I guess if I'm going really slow and easy, I'd be okay. But I do know a pathway in, but I'm just looking at all this boat traffic out here. I could go try around the other side of the street, the other side of the bridge there. I did not try that the other day. Yeah, this is a jet ski. Yeah. Let's go see. some bass fishermen back there. Obviously, I don't want to go back there and jump in their spot. I saw bass fishermen at my other spot up there also. Huh. I don't. Sun's setting. Obviously, still kind of up there in the sky, but it's going down quick. You can see we got main channel of the lake, cove, deep cove, 30 feet deep out here. Bank, cut bank when the water's up higher. Timber all through here. Drops pretty quick, actually. 4 or 5 feet, drops to like 30 out there. So we're gonna kind of fan out. I'm only gonna use, I think, 2 live baits, 2 cut baits tonight. That's the idea. 2 live baits and 2 cut baits. So live baits are going to be on the ones with the float. That one. I only have one with the float. Okay. So that one's going to go deep diver. Get this guy out of the way. This is what I wanted to see, is when these waves come in, how does that affect my boat? Not too bad. Not too bad considering what they are. How are my baits doing in here? Well, it looks pretty lively. Looks like as good of one as any to go on the first one. This one's got an old rattle on it. Oh, come on. So, 8-aught hook. Just gonna hook him right through here. Oh, don't flip out of the boat. Oh my. With your spiky little fins. There. Alright, there he's on there. Okay, so that's going to be a pretty deep one. I don't know if it hit something on the way down or not. Didn't see if it was that crazy deep there, but that's where she is. And that's where she's going. Probably a horrible camera angle with the sun going right down in your face. Sorry about that. Did not think my way through this spot, but liked the spot, so sorry about the sun. Do. Alright, so I'm going to start with 1 live, and then we'll do 2 cuts. I'm going to cut this guy. These relatively good sized baits here, because it is the heat of the summer. Chum the water with the tail. Let me get my scissors and trim these up a little bit. That's two good baits. We'll throw one, oops, down the cove. This one, that's a bigger hook. We're going to put a headpiece on here. Alright, so I got live bait right there in the middle. Uh-oh, I already hung up. Oh, yeah, okay. This one's going to go off the point. That's a little deeper. Okay, so fourth rod is not being used. I need to get myself situated. I don't need bait. I got stuff all over the floor. This towel I generally leave here because see that middle right there? That middle gets really hot. So I just kind of lay that towel over that so when it doesn't get on my feet. Gotta get rid of these mowing shoes. I can't believe I did not change my shoes before I left the house, but I was kind of in a hurry. I wanted to make this video and just kind of show you what I do here. I'm going to be a little bit spoiled. Got a fan. It's charged up always, but it also it's solar charges, so kind of as the sun hits you, the wind hits you. So this is going to be really bad lighting for filming, or for video. But we got cut bait, live bait, cut bait, right here by the marina. Giving away spots. Alright, well, I don't have a whole lot longer to sit out here. Some bass fishermen over there. I think they're bass fishermen. They might be catfishing. But, yeah. No bites. No tugs. Not even on the worms. I mean, I'm waiting for that one big one. But here on the bright side, the Royals are winning 5-2. And it's like the 9th inning. So that's a good sign. Could be worse. I could be sitting home with my face stuck in a computer. I'd much rather be looking at fishing rods. Being outside. It's a nice breeze, kind of keeping the bugs away. It's really a beautiful night. Above me, it's just partly cloudy. To the east, there's a thunderstorm over there, but that's over there. It ain't bothering me right here. Come on now. Give me a takedown. I don't think that's a bluegill. That's not a bluegill. Oh, that's definitely not a bluegill. Oh! Yeah. Well, he's not fighting real hard now, but he's kind of coming right in now. He's got weight. What's going on here? Oh, he's got some weight. Come around this way. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Okay. Okay. Yeah, he's got some weight to him. He's got some weight to him. Ooh. Pull and drag. This is a good fish. This is a good fish right here. Oh, oh, jeez, he just bumped me. Oh. Okay, we're going to have to tire him out. Yeah, oh yeah, he's pulling. We're just going to have to let him wear out. He's big. Hope you can see all this. This is a good fight. He's just back and forth, just digging. There's my leader. What do we got? I haven't actually seen him yet. There he goes. Saw the boat and he took off. He's just staying down and just power, just pulling. I'm gonna back this off a little bit. Whew, okay, this fish's fighting. I'm glad I came out tonight. I don't think I got any sticks or anything right here to worry about. I just gotta worry him down. Oh, he's just peel and drag. He's just peel and drag. There's the leader. Every time I go to get him up, he goes right back down. It's a big flathead. It's a big flathead. I seen him. I don't know if you saw him, but it's a big flathead. Oh, am I glad I came out tonight. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, he's cool looking too. He's got tons of cool colors. Alright, he's pretty well beat. I think he's beat. Let's move this over here. Let's kind of get him over this way. Get the net. Oh, he's a big fish. Yep. 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 Alright, he's in the net. Okay, he's really big. I gotta turn this off and fish right here. Oh, geez, you're gonna bite me. Oh. Okay, we have to try him out. Yeah, oh yeah, he's pulling. Just gonna have to let him wear out. He's big. Get the net. Oh, he's a big fish. All right, y'all. Slimecat rods. I came out to catch a flathead. I got a flathead, a big one. He's in the net. I got the fight on camera. Oh, he's a monster. He's a monster. I'll bet he's 40. No. Okay. He's huge. He's huge. This is a huge net. This is a big old. All right, this is a big old flatty. Big flatty. I mean, this is the fish I've been looking for 2 days over here. I gotta put this over here. All right, let's I don't even know if this is gonna work. Oh man. Little 8-aught hook. Ooh. Okay. Yeah. Oh gosh. Yeah. I gotta put him back in the net. I gotta find a better spot. For this. He's large. I wonder if I can. I don't think these grips are gonna do any good at all. Look at the size of this guy. He's a big one. Woo! Okay. Oh. Oh. I'm gonna try to get a quick weight on him. I don't know if I'll be able to. I'm gonna put him in the net. Holy moly. He's got a big old scar on him too. Okay. I'm gripping back. Let's get you in here. Alright. Okay, pound. Oh, come on. Okay. It's right at 50. It's right at 50. Let me try one more time. Yep. Right at 50. Oh, he's big. Okay. I'm going to put him back in the water, in the net. Okay. I knew they were in here. I knew they were in here. Oh my. Oh my. Okay, so I knew they were in here. That is a 50-pound flathead. We're going to let him acclimate. He was out of the water for a little bit. 50-pounder. I know I probably didn't get any good pictures of him, but hopefully I got some good video of it. Where's my headlamp? Get the release. Alright, that was the one fish I came out to catch tonight. Alright, how we doing, buddy? How we doing, big dog? There you go. Oh, there you go. He just swam off. I was gonna give him some love, and he just swam off. Swam off strong. Woo! 50. Well, that's my fish for the night. I can go home now. I'm sorry. So that was exciting. That's the bite I've been looking for all weekend. 50, right here, where I've been all weekend. Right here. I knew it. I knew they were here. Awesome. So, probably gonna do it for this video. So I'm not gonna take him home and cook him. He was way too big. 50-pounder. 50-pounder. That is my second 50-pound flathead. My other one was 51.2. That was actually, I mean, the net weighs 4 pounds, so let's call that was 46. Because it was right bouncing at 50, 51. So with that net, it's probably 46-pounder, but hey, close enough. That's a big bad boy out of this little puddle of water, this little lake. I love it. So, yeah. That's probably going to do it for this video. Definitely like, subscribe. Check it out. Slimecat rods. The slime man. I'm gonna sit there for just a little bit longer.